confirm correct people. How una dey? If una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una not forget to go subscribe because I don't come with another ogbonge update, latest gist as it dey hot now, so we dey drop am for this our news channel. And if una never tell people about our news channel, but make una do well to tell. Don't forget to always dey share our video. Don't forget to always dey share our news channel to people so that them too go dey involved, so that they can feel subscribe to our news channel. My people, today we want to talk about this Trinity guy. This guy where they do prank and they make skits. I don't fit talk on here for inside last week. Say police don't talk. Say they want see the guy for the prank where they do. Say prank where they do today dangerous. So they can't invite and come police station. This guy can't go police station. And they invite and come police station, and so they can't carry this guy go court. So they can't arrest this guy, carry and go court now. They can't talk say this guy, the get one prank where you do where you small picking. Say that prank where you do not be prank at all. Say you're not supposed to do that kind of prank. And this prank where you do with that small picking, the parents of the small picking, they involved. So therefore, him and the parents, all of them now like this, they sell. They say now until July 11, and they go feel can't talk about the case whether they could go prison or they no go prison. Wetin this prank be about? It can't deal with form of sexual abuse because pikin wey not supposed know wetin he not supposed know. The boy can't dey carry and come the get face. Although people they talk say the boy na nice person, he don't see they help people with a prank. But other people they talk say when they carry and go prison, say the boy deserve to dey prison for sexual abuse. Say the boy prank to the day serious and extreme. Say they cause people fear and headache. While other people they talk say no, say the boy na nice person. Say as far they don't want now, if they can't say he do something like that again, they feel arrest and say for now they bail am. So different people here they bring their own opinion concerning this Trinity guy. But my people, wait to nothing concerning this matter. He right abi he not right? Because right now the boy dey Ibadan prison. He can't still deal with the parents. People they say why the parents go allow the boy use their pikin to do that kind yes kids video. And people I go play on the video, don't Yoruba they speak. I go play on the video, make una watch, make una see the video so we land down to this kind mess. Before I go play on the video, may I just throw highlights about what the video be. He go easy himself, so he can't dey ask the small pikin whether he's seeing as he is safe. So and the small pikin don't know anything, he not see anything. So that fright can they make the pikin talk wetin she no know. She just dey use her head dey talk. Wanna watch the video, make una safe for herself.
Okay, like you saw.
Yes.
Okay, títí bá ti sọ, ẹ máa lọ.
Tó bá ti sọ, yín mọ̀ lọ.
Mo rí dànù. Mo rí.
Orí, bó ló ṣe rí?
Ojú.
Kọ́lá wo ni? Kọ́lá wo ni?
Ṣíjọ ìyànú mi.
Kọ́lá wo ni?
Kọ́lá mi rí kankan lọ́wọ́ yín.
Rọ́ọ̀nù.
Okay, má ti fẹ́ sọ mo ti.
Ó yá sọ, kọ́lá wo ni?
Color white.
Kọ́lá white.
Ẹ pupa, ọkọ yín pupa ni. Ó pupa.
Kí ló pupa?
Ọkọ yín pupa.
Ọkọ mi ti pupa. Rọ́ọ̀nù. Tó bá lọ bẹ̀ yẹn.
My people, when don't watch the video, and this one so now send this Trinity guy and the parents of that small girl now to prison till July 11 now before we go know the final say. Anyway, when we dey careful with anything we dey do for life, not say we want try also to bring out money to do one or two so that we go get fame, so that we go popular, so that money go enter our account. But without not me say we not dey use our sense. Make we dey try, they know wetin we dey do. My people, wetin una think concerning this matter? I go like to know una own opinion. Make una comment for comment section. Write with you concerning this matter. Now this one will be for our today news. We cannot forget to share this video. Until we meet again for another news, make una stay safe. Una do.